What if the key to your child's bright future lies in their health and growth today? Welcome to this fascinating journey through the world of children's health and growth. The stakes are high and the impact is profound. The health of our children today sets the stage for their adult lives, shaping their bodies, their minds, and their futures. Let's delve into the core elements that are essential for their development: proper nutrition, physical activity, mental stimulation, and regular health checkups. Proper nutrition fuels growth, while physical activity strengthens their bodies and minds. Mental stimulation expands their horizons, sparking curiosity and a love for learning. Finally, regular checkups ensure that their development is on track, catching any potential issues early. Each of these elements plays a pivotal role in the symphony of growth, working together to create a harmonious balance. Imagine a future where your child thrives, all because of the choices you make today. Scene script. Your child's body is a temple. What kind of bricks are you using to build it? Imagine a construction site. Each brick laid down is crucial to the strength and stability of the structure. It's the same with your child's body. The bricks in this case are the nutrients from the food they consume. Let's break it down. Proteins are the building blocks of life. They aid in muscle growth, repair damaged tissues, and support the immune system. They're like the sturdy bricks that give the structure its shape and solidity. Foods rich in proteins include lean meats, dairy products, and plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas. Then we have carbohydrates. They're the body's primary source of energy. Think of them as the cement that binds the bricks together. They keep your child active and alert throughout the day. Opt for complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for a steady release of energy. Next up are vitamins and minerals. These are the scaffolding that supports the structure, aiding in processes like bone development and boosting immunity. They're found in a colorful array of fruits and vegetables, dairy products, and lean meats. But what about the construction workers? That's where fats come in. They're essential for brain development and hormone production. Choose healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and fish. Now imagine using poor quality bricks or faulty cement. That's what happens when you feed your child junk food and sugary drinks. These foods are high in empty calories and low in essential nutrients. They might satisfy the taste buds momentarily, but they do no favors for your child's health and development. Building a strong, healthy body for your child is much like constructing a sturdy building. The quality of materials you use directly impacts the outcome. A balanced diet rich in proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals is the blueprint to a strong foundation. Remember, the food your child eats today is the foundation of their health tomorrow. Did you know that exercise does more than just build muscles? A question to ponder as we delve into the multifaceted benefits of regular physical activity for our youngsters. Let's start by painting a picture of the physical advantages. Exercise does indeed build muscles, but it also enhances overall strength and coordination. It's like providing the building blocks for a robust and resilient body that can dance with grace, shoot a basketball with precision, or sprint with the wind. However, the benefits of regular exercise are not confined to physical prowess alone. It's also a catalyst for mental agility. Exercise fuels the brain, enhancing cognitive abilities like attention, memory, and problem-solving. It's akin to sharpening a pencil, enabling your child to draw clearer, more vivid pictures of their thoughts and ideas. Moreover, exercise is a natural mood booster. It's like sunshine on a cloudy day, driving away the blues and inviting a sense of joy and well-being. It encourages the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that bring a smile to your child's face and a sparkle in their eyes. So, what kind of exercise should your child engage in? Well, that largely depends on their age and interest. It could be anything from a playful game of tag, a competitive sport like soccer, or a calming session of kid-friendly yoga. Make exercise a fun and regular part of your child's routine and watch them bloom. It's the key to unlocking their physical strength and mental agility, setting them up for a lifetime of health and happiness. Sleep isn't just a time for dreams, but also a time for growth. It's during these quiet hours that children's bodies work their magic, repairing cells, releasing growth hormones, and consolidating memories. A well-rested child is not only taller and stronger, but also sharper and happier. How then do we ensure our young ones are catching enough Z's? It starts with a regular sleep schedule. A consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends, help set their internal clocks right. Next, create an environment conducive for sleep. A dark, quiet and cool room works wonders. Consider using white noise machines to drown out disruptive sounds and blackout curtains to block unwanted light. And finally, establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine. This could be a warm bath, a bedtime story, or simply some quiet time. These signals tell the child it's time to wind down and drift off to the land of dreams. Ensure your child gets enough sleep, and you'll be surprised at the difference it makes. How do you guard your child against unseen enemies? You may not see them, but they are quite real, lurking in the shadows waiting to strike. These invisible adversaries are the numerous health issues that can affect your child. But fear not, for there is a shield that can protect your child from such threats, and that shield is regular health checkups and vaccinations. You see, these are not mere hospital visits or injections. They are crucial preventive measures that help detect potential health concerns in their early stages, when they are most treatable. Vaccinations, on the other hand, arm your child's immune system, training it to fend off certain diseases. Think of them as tiny soldiers standing guard, ready to protect your child from harmful invaders. In the grand scheme of your child's health, these checkups and vaccinations play a key role. They are the first line of defense, the watchful protectors. Regular checkups are your child's armor against illness. What's the simplest way to keep your child healthy? You may be surprised to learn that it's all about good hygiene habits. Yes, it's that simple. This is the first line of defense against illness and disease. Think about it. The world is an extraordinary place, filled with fascinating sights, sounds, and experiences. But it's also teeming with germs. These microscopic invaders are just waiting for an opportunity to strike. But here's the good news. We can significantly reduce their chances with something as straightforward as regular hand washing. Now let's move from the hands to the mouth. Dental care is another crucial aspect of maintaining good health. Regular brushing and flossing can help fend off tooth decay and gum disease, which can lead to more serious health issues down the line. Lastly, personal cleanliness is key. Regular bathing and clean clothes can keep those pesky germs at bay. Teach your child good hygiene habits, and you equip them with a shield against disease. Want to unlock your child's full potential? It starts in the mind. The mind of a child is a treasure chest, brimming with untapped potential. It's a fertile ground, eager to sprout seeds of knowledge, creativity, and innovation. But like any fertile ground, it needs to be cultivated, nurtured, and stimulated for the magic to unfold. The role of mental stimulation in children's cognitive development cannot be overstated. It's akin to striking a match against a rough surface. The friction, the resistance, ignites the flame. Likewise, challenging a child's mind through learning and creativity is the friction that ignites the flame of their potential. So how do we go about this? By fostering a learning environment that promotes curiosity and creativity. Encourage your child to ask questions, to explore, to invent. Surround them with books, with art, with science. Let them paint, let them build, let them experiment. But remember, it's not about pushing them into a mold. It's about allowing them to shape their own. It's about providing them the tools and the freedom to explore their interests, to question the world around them, and to create their own unique solutions. This journey of mental stimulation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about quick wins, it's about long-term growth. It's about lighting the spark that will continue to glow and grow, illuminating their path towards realizing their full potential. Stimulate your child's mind and you light the spark of their potential. The health and growth of your child is a canvas and you hold the brush. Remember, every stroke you make shapes their future. A balanced diet, brimming with all the necessary nutrients, paints the backdrop of their physical well-being. Regular exercise, the vibrant splashes of energy builds their strength and resilience. Ample sleep, the calming tones of a night sky, restores their mind and body. Regular checkups, the careful inspection of your masterpiece, ensures their health is on track. Good hygiene, the protective varnish, shields them from harmful germs and illnesses. And last, but certainly not least, mental stimulation. The intricate details that bring the canvas to life ignites their potential. Each element is a crucial part of the masterpiece that is your child's health and development. You have the power to influence each one. So pick up that brush and make every stroke count. Your child's health and growth are in your hands. Make each day count.